You know, some of the sound and images of the disaster in Los Angeles. Let's bring in Pacific Palisades resident Mychal Wilson, professional storm chaser Tanner Charles, and California resident Jennifer Begakis. Thank you all for coming on. You all have a story. We want to get to those. Tanner Charles, to you first. You're a storm chaser by trade.
Yes.
But I talked to your friend Orly today. His parents own a home up in the Pacific Palisades, and he was bound and determined to save it, and he brought you with him.
Yes.
And we're going to play the video of that right now while you're talking, Tanner. What was the story?
Yeah, so I was actually going up to document the fires, and so as I was walking up, I see Orly sees me. He's like, Tanner, you know, what's up? And I'm just walking. I didn't have a car at the time, and so I'm like, I'm going up to document the fires. I have a couple other storm chasing friends that are up there documenting, and so I was going to link up with them. And I was like, hey man, would you want to come up and help me document what's going on? And he's like, sure. And I'm like, okay, dude, like, I hope you know what you're getting yourself into. I'll keep you safe, but like, it's just, you know. And so I went up there on top of the canyon. We were watching the flames as they were inching closer and closer. And as they got close, I was like, man, your house is down the road, right? He's like, yeah. I'm like, let's go and fireproof your house, man. Like, this is getting too close. It's not good. And so we went down there and fireproofed the house, and it was, yeah.
Unbelievable. Jennifer, you live in Berlin half the year. You live in the Pacific Palisades. Your parents are in the Palisades. Your family lost 2 of their 3 homes.
Yes.
That's got to be devastating. And you said your parents were they were bound and determined to stay.
Yes, absolutely. I'm a 3rd generation Pacific Palisadian, and my mother, even hours before, said, you know, not in my 71 years has the fire ever gotten to the Palisades village. And they were planning on staying, and it was before about 7 o'clock when my family, my siblings in our group chat, we had to call 911 to get my mom and dad out.
Wow.
And they lost Wi-Fi, they lost power. So Palisades has notoriously had terrible cell reception. So they would have been stuck, but they were the last 2 in the Alameda Bluffs, and they were escorted out.
Wow, it's crazy. Your parents also own a burger shop. We're going to talk about that in a minute, a very famous burger shop in the Palisades. Mychal, to you, here's video of you, Mychal, trying to save your home and your neighbor's home, at least for a time that you thought you could. Watch. Now tell me what you were thinking.
So actually, that's down the street from me. What happened was I went down to my neighbor's house, and what you see is a line of cars coming down Bienvenida, St. Matthews. None of that exists right now. There were kids coming from the school, elementary kids, you know, screaming, crying. And at that point, like, here's a lady here. I tried to help her. And what upset me about that video is that I went to a policeman and said, hey, can you help her? She's got 3 bags and 2 dogs. And the policeman's like, no, we're here to help with the traffic. And so other neighbors kind of helped her get into a car. I mean, she had nowhere to go. So there was no plan for traffic, no plan for the elderly, no plan for animals. It's tragic. It's tragic.
It really is. Tanner, did you have a plan to get out if you were in there? Because you guys went inside the house.
Yeah, so I always had several escape routes like planned in the back of my head. I was looking at satellite, I was looking at different pictures. I knew that the embers were coming in and they would light like the brush on fire and that kind of thing. But most of the fire was to the north of us and our escape routes were all south. And so I just knew, like, you know, and I also have friends that do this professionally as far as going and documenting these kind of disasters. And so from the wisdom from them, I kind of knew how to navigate the situation. And being on the east side of the fire with the wind at my back, I knew that, you know, we could also go to the east side if we needed to get out of the fire and like out of the danger. But yeah, it was really intense though, regardless.
It's crazy. The burger joint survived. Famous burger joint in the Palisades. What does everybody think about the response?
We're very touched, honestly. I mean, the thing with the Palisades, and you know, if you know it, you really know it. You know the 4th of July parades, you know Pali High. It is a small town in the middle of a vast Los Angeles metropolitan area, and it is unique in that capacity. And so we're very touched by the outpouring of love and support. And yeah, by grace, it is still standing, and it feels like, you know, when you see things like the Palisades Theater and you see the library and you see Palisades Elementary and Pali High burning, but if the Beachside Cafe is there, it's a small silver lining. And
Mychal, very quickly, you did the response for the first responders was not as robust as you had hoped.
No, and I'm an attorney too, a whistleblower attorney, and I know in terms of when you get down to negligence, duty of care, there's certain things that should have been in place. Now, whether you can blame the city or the local Palisades Community Council, but there were people in those cars, as you saw, they were just ranting and raving about the poor planning. I mean, they were afraid for their lives.
Sure.
After that, right there, maybe 30 seconds, that's when you heard the explosions coming from houses blowing up. And it's pretty tragic. I mean, again, we had a water system. My nephew was in town from Sweden and helping me with the sprinklers on the roofs. And I was like, where's the pressure, Jonathan? Where's the pressure? And he's like, it's full pressure. And then I didn't realize till later on why there was no pressure. Because in the previous fires, everything was fine. The sprinklers were going off and we all teamed up together. Fire engines, sorry, one last thing. Fire engines went up the street from Arcadia, Glendale, couldn't do anything.
It's amazing. Thank you for coming on, sharing your stories. The best of luck to all of you. And thank you, Mychal, Tanner, Jennifer.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Click here to subscribe to the Fox News YouTube page to catch our hottest interviews and most compelling analysis. You won't get it anywhere else.